I have been learning Igbo for 2 years now, and here are a few tips that have helped me so far. First is exposure and practice. Some people call it input and output. Exposure helps you understand the rhythm of the language and build comprehension, while practice forces you to actively use the vocabulary you know, which helps you improve accuracy and build confidence over time. When you start learning Igbo, try to surround yourself with as much of the language as possible. For me, I use different resources like videos, podcasts, apps, listening to Igbo content creators, or anything else that helps me experience the language in different ways. I feel that the more exposure I get, the more I'm able to recognize patterns and remember words easily. So if you're a learner like me, the first thing I want you to become familiar with is the Igbo alphabet. Learning it will help you read and become familiar with the different sounds of the Igbo language. At the beginner stage, pay close attention to pronunciation and tones as you are developing habits that will shape your pronunciation for years to come. Don't leave it for later. From there, continue learning new vocabulary and grammar so that you can start building sentences. Now, regarding practice, in the beginning it's quite challenging to speak and write when you don't know much yet, but start with greetings and basic conversations that you can use daily. Also, try to repeat everything you hear to train your pronunciation. Tones are very important in Igbo, and write things down with pen and paper, as this can help you remember them better. Try to engage in conversations with native speakers, family members, friends, or Igbo tutors to practice with them. Most importantly, try to make your learning journey as fun as possible. When I started, I practiced my pronunciation with tongue twisters a lot, and it was really fun to do. Try to consume as much media in Igbo as possible instead of always listening to the language you already know. High life music, Nollywood movies, and Igbo radio are some of the best places to start.